Hello and welcome back to my channel. Some of you have been asking me a series of questions, and I have decided to have a question and answers video series. If you are new here, welcome to Relationship Tidbits, where I discuss tips to improve your relationship with the people around you and those you love. There is no perfect relationship, but you can sure have a good relationship with others if the right things are in place. If this is something you are interested in, click on the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified when I post new videos. Also, drop your questions and comments below. So, our first question for the day is, what do you do when your friend starts the same business as you? If your friend decides to start the same business as you, I would first like to say that you should take that as a compliment. Be happy for them. There's a tendency to feel they started it because you did, or because they feel they can do it better, or they want to just cash out. You may feel bad or think he or she is a copycat and wonder why wouldn't they just leave you alone to do this thing? Or maybe you're thinking they are so greedy. Let them do it. The world is big enough to make money. As long as he or she is not taking away your customers directly, I don't see anything stopping him or her from doing the business. There are many people who can patronize you both without crossing the line into any of your businesses. You make your money, they make theirs. Everyone is happy.